Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our language learning channel. In today's video, we are going to learn some delicious and colorful fruits in Hindi through English. By the end of this video, you'll be able to name a variety of fruits in Hindi. Let's begin. Our first fruit is the mango. In Hindi, we say aam. Can you say aam with me? Great job. I will repeat this. Mango, aam, mango, aam. We will move on to the next fruit. Next we have the apple. In Hindi, we say seb. Can you say seb with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Apple, seb, apple, seb. We will move on to the next fruit. Next we have the banana. In Hindi, we say kale. Can you say kale with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Banana, kale, banana, kale. We will move on to the next fruit. Next we have the pineapple. In Hindi, we say ananas. Can you say ananas with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Pineapple, ananas, pineapple, ananas. We will move on to the next fruit. Next we have the papaya. In Hindi, we say papita. Can you say papita with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Papaya, papita, papaya, papita. We will move on to the next fruit. Next we have the watermelon. In Hindi, we say a tarbooj. Can you say a tarbooj with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Watermelon, tarbooj, watermelon, tarbooj. We will move on to the next fruit. Next we have the lemon. In Hindi, we say neembu. Can you say neembu with me? Excellent. I will repeat this. Lemon, neembu, lemon, neembu. Fantastic. You did it. We've learned some fascinating fruits in Hindi through English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these words to build your vocabulary. Now let's have a quick recap. Mango, aam, apple, seb, banana, kela, pineapple, ananas, papaya, papita, watermelon, tarbooj, lemon, neembu. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning animals in Hindi with us. Stay tuned for more exciting language lessons. Dhanyawad and until next time.